Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to replace a kitchen sink basket strainer the right way. We'll go over 3 different strainer styles, talk about how each connects, and then I'll walk you through the full removal and installation process under the sink, tools and materials you'll need, new basket strainer assembly, plumber's putty, adjustable wrench, channel lock pliers, putty knife or plastic scraper, old towel or small bucket, screwdriver or basket strainer tool. Step 1. Strainer overview. Let's start with a quick look at the 3 common types of basket strainers you'll find in most kitchens. 1 plastic version and 2 stainless steel versions. They all fit a standard 3.5-inch sink opening and connect to a 1.5-inch tailpiece underneath. Step 2. Understanding the strainer styles. First style. This one uses a center bolt to hold everything together. The foam gasket seals the top flange, while the rubber washer and pressure cup fit underneath the sink. I'll use my hand here to show how all the parts stack together. The tailpiece can vary in length. If it's too long, just trim it with a tubing cutter. And remember the nylon gasket inside the tailpiece. It's what prevents leaks. Second style. This version doesn't use a bolt. It tightens with a large lock nut instead. Underneath, you'll find a thick rubber washer and a friction ring, usually plastic or cardboard. Up top, it's sealed with plumber's putty. Roll your putty into a 1/2-inch rope and wrap it under the flange. Once it's pressed into place, any extra will squeeze out when you tighten it down. Third style. This type has a thin top washer, a pressure cup, and a lock nut that tightens from below. All 3 styles connect to your drain system using a 1.5-inch tailpiece, which then attaches with a trap adapter to your ABS or PVC drain pipe. Step 3. Removing the old strainer. Alright, let's move to the real job, replacing the one that's leaking. Start by disconnecting the drain under the sink. Place a towel and bucket under the P-trap to catch any leftover water. In this setup, there are 2 trap adapters and a union P-trap to loosen. Once that's off, plug the open drain with a plastic bag to block sewer gas. Next, remove the tailpiece using pliers, and then loosen the strainer lock nut. If the whole strainer spins, grab it from above with needle nose pliers to keep it steady. Step 4. Installing the new strainer. Before installing, make sure the sink opening is clean and dry. I'm using the plumber's putty version, which has the washer and friction ring underneath. Silicone works too, but plumber's putty makes future repairs much easier. Apply the putty evenly under the flange, then press it firmly into place from the top. From below, install the rubber washer, friction ring, and lock nut. Tighten it down with pliers, and again, hold the top with needle nose pliers if needed. Wipe off the excess putty around the drain. Don't worry if it's not perfect. We'll clean it up once water's running. Step 5. Reconnecting the drain. Now reinstall the tailpiece with its plastic washer and reconnect the rest of the drain exactly how it came apart. Turn on the water and check for leaks at every joint. I like to fill the sink halfway and then drain it. That's the best way to test for any small leaks. And that's it. You've just replaced your kitchen sink basket strainer and saved yourself a plumbing bill. If this video helped you out, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps others find these DIY plumbing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.